Hi, this is Dr. Scott Hoar, and these guys, the Relxbit, sent me their fascial massage gun and told me to check it out. And I've taken a look at it, and I've actually found that I really enjoy using it. So they sent it to me. It comes in this little box, and you could see there's a bag that they use with it. Decent little leather bag there, and it's a very tiny machine. It's about the size of an iPhone. And, there's different attachments that you can use depending on the body part that you're choosing to use. Check this out. We used it on her lats, which were actually a little bit stiff and limiting her shoulder motion. And we were able to get in there. You see this so many times, plantar fasciitis and tension of the muscles and the fascia in the bottom of the foot. So we were able to use this tool in there. So look, what do we want? We want to not be in pain, and we want to reduce some of that muscle tension so we can feel better and move better. And I'll really use any tool available that achieves some of those things. So the Relxbit massage gun is very helpful in reducing some of that muscle tension. We all have poor posture and imbalanced movement that causes this tension, this stiffness throughout our body. The patellar tendon, this is another area that just does not get enough blood flow, so it's hard for it to recover in a timely manner. So things like the percussive vibration therapy from the Relxbit are really going to go a long way in not only just providing relief, but really reducing the tightness and the tension in some of these areas. Here we're on the AC joint, and then boom, we're over here at the biceps, bicipital tendon, which really gets tight and tense on a lot of people. I know that's my favorite place to use it on myself. Look at that, TMJ. We're sending all sorts of vibrations and sensations to relieve that aching TMJ disorder that is so common with people. There's all sorts of emerging research about percussion and vibration therapy and the impacts that make on soft tissue disorders and how helpful it really can be. I'm treating people all day long and getting them to feel a little bit better. But what about me? I've got my own aches and pains, and I can't always treat myself the way I treat my patients. So what I can do is just put it right on a tender spot. As a chiropractor, I'm doing a lot of pushing and hands-on stuff, so the fronts of my shoulders just get super stiff and super tender all the time. So I'm really enjoying using these massage guns at home in the evening. Take a look for yourself on their website about their gun. They've got a mini version and the pro version. So check it out for yourself. There's a link in the description below. They are giving you a little bit of a discount if you go through that link. So check it out. It's the Relxbit massage gun. Give it a shot.